Okay, let's take a look at question number 14 from the May 2016 release version of the Algebra 1 STAAR test. Okay, so let's take a look. They're giving us a graph of a line, and they're wanting us to find the y-intercept. And we can see that the y-intercept looks like it's in between 5 and 6, but we don't know for sure that it's exactly halfway in between. So let's take a look at the slope. Okay, so let's start with the rise. Okay, so we can see that the slope is negative. Okay, so from left to right, as x increases, our y values is going down. So that tells us we have a negative slope. Okay, so let's go from this point negative 2.7 down to 0.61. So let's see what kind of rise and run we have from those 2 points. Okay, so going down from this point, we're going to go down 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units. Okay, so we went down 6 units. So that tells us our slope. We already know our slope is negative. So let the negative go with the rise. So down 6 minus 6, and let's do our run. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so our run is 8 units. Okay, so our slope equals negative 6/8, which can be reduced to negative 3/4. Okay, so now we're going to use the slope-intercept form of the line, which is y equals mx plus b. Okay, and we just found out that our m value, our slope, is negative 3/4 x plus b. Okay, so let's go ahead and we can use either one of these 2 points to find out what b is, which is our y-intercept. So let's use this point here. Okay, so our x value is 6, our y value is 1, so we're going to replace y with 1 here, and we're going to replace x with 6, and we have plus b. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and multiply. So let's rewrite 6 as a fraction, so that's 6 over 1. So going straight across, we have negative 3 times 6, which is negative 18, and we have 4 times 1, which is 4, plus b. Okay, and over here we have 1. Okay, so we can reduce our negative 18/4 to be negative 9/2 plus b over 1. Okay, and we're going to add, now we're going to add 9/2 to both sides. So here we have plus 9/2, and then plus 9/2 over here. Okay, so let's go over here, and we have 1 plus 9 over 2, which equals b. And now we need a common denominator, so we can rewrite 1 as 2 over 2, giving us a common denominator, plus 9/2 equals b, and this will give us 11 over 2b, and to convert this into a decimal, so 2 goes into 11 5 times, leaving us with 1/2 left over. So 5.5 is our y-intercept, and which does match up to what it looks like, but we want to make sure, because we don't have an answer choice here. So it's a griddable, so our answer choice is 5.5 is our y-intercept.